Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to change your iPhone password if you have forget. So guys, if you have set any password on your iPhone and now you have forget your iPhone password and now you want to change or want to reset your password, I will help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, as you will see, if you will forget your password from here, now the easiest way to reset your password is you have to put a wrong password, and here you can see the option of forget password. Click on it and here you will see the option of start iPhone reset. And guys, after this your iPhone will be reset automatically. And guys, the another way to reset your iPhone or change your password without your iPhone is you need to go back on your home screen of your laptop or PC, and here you need to search iCloud. So guys, as you will see here, and here you can see the option of find devices, and here you need to sign in your Apple ID here. So guys, as you will see, simply you have to wait. And guys, now you need to wait for some seconds. As you will see, you can see this type of interface. So guys, from here you need to select your iPhone that you have changed your password. So guys, for example, I am selecting this one, and guys, here you will see the option of erase. Click on it, and guys, here you need to click on next, and after this here you need to put your Apple ID password, and after this your iPhone will be reset automatically without using your iPhone. So guys, this is the easiest way to do this. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.